Hello everyone, this is Shrutoshini. I welcome you all to my channel Light of Life with Shrutoshini. Before starting the video, I would request you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notifications about my new uploads, and also if you like the video, please like, comment and share. We all know that if we give words to anybody, then we should keep it, because if we fail to keep our words, then that is a sin which we should not do. In the ancient times, we have seen through many incidents that if somebody has given any words to someone, then they give their lives to keep those words. This means that in the primitive times, the importance of giving words to someone was taken very seriously, because they knew this, and also they used to believe this from their heart, that if they do not keep those words, then that is considered to be a misdeed. This is the reason why they gave away their everything and made sure to keep those words. In Mahabharata, which is an ancient scripture of India, we have seen this specific nature in many characters. Amongst them, Bhishma Pitamaha was someone who fought his whole life just to keep his words and never ever thought of taking a step back. This was the morality of Bhishma Pitamaha, and the ethic was always keep your words. But the surprising matter was, Lord Sri Krishna says not to give any words. I am sure you people must be thinking why. Sri Krishna had a strong reason to say so. To know this reason, let us all go through a small story so that you get the answer to a question. Once there was a man who used to stay with his wife and son in a rented apartment. He used to work in a private organization. His salary was not really high. Whatever salary he used to get, with that he used to run his household. One fine day, he got promoted to a higher rank, due to which his salary increased. He was so happy that day that he bought sweets for his family and gave words to his wife that in the next 5 years he will save money and will gift his wife a house. He also added that their days of peril will get over. From that very month, he started to save money, and on the 4th year, an odd incident occurred. That year, recession came down in the country, due to which the man lost his job, and for the next 1.5 years did not get any job anywhere. The money that he had saved up to build his house, he used that to run his household, but soon that money was getting over. He could not take the stress and tension of the recession, which caused a severe heart attack, and the person died. He could not keep the words that he gave to his wife. Here, two things happened. One, he could not keep the words that he gave to his wife, and two, he could not fulfill his dream of making a house of his own. According to the Indian scriptures, if somebody cannot keep the words given to someone else, then that is a sin. And if someone dies without fulfilling his dreams and with a desire of any sort, then that person will have to take birth again to fulfill that desire, and alongside will also have to go through the good and bad karmas. This will happen with this man, and this is the reason why Lord Krishna says that one should never give his or her words to anybody depending on the present situation, because nobody knows what your future has in store for you. This is the reason why the path of Bhishma Pitamaha is the path of morality, which states that if you give your words to somebody, then you should keep it. This path binds us, but the path of Sri Krishna is the path of knowledge, which does not bind us, instead sets us free. This is why when you will be cheerful and happy for any reason, then do not give words to anybody even by mistake, because always keep one thing in mind, that situations always do not stay the same. The words that you are giving, depending on your today, you yourself do not know whether you will be able to keep them tomorrow. So the best thing is not to give any words, and even if you give any, then be sure that you will be able to keep the words that you are giving. This completely depends on you which path you want to choose. If you want, you can choose the path of morality and bind yourself, or you can choose the path of knowledge and set yourself free. The decision lies in your hands. After listening to the video, if you like it, then please press the like button. Do not forget to comment and share with your friends.